Good morning, party people. Welcome back to another vlog. It's a little bit rainy today, but we're gonna keep our attitudes positively positive. How you doing today, Miss Rebecca?
I'm doing wonderful. Thank you for asking. Just posted a new vlog, so go check it out, y'all.
And Bobster.
Hi, I'm Jim Dandy, thank you. And I just want to show you they say that couldn't be done. This is my barn door for my kitchen. And we'll have that installed today, so Eamon will have to eat his hat.
Hold on. This is going beside the fridge. But if you want to access the part beside the fridge, you slide it to in front of the fridge.
Sink. This is covering the sink.
This is covering the sink, but you said something about covering the fridge.
Well, when I open...
Okay. I get it now.
When I get it there...
This is going to look really neat. As many of you know, today is our almost 3-week mark of daily vlogging. We just want to say thank you so much for coming along for the ride, the journey, for all of your kind comments, for your encouragement of Bob. And we just want to remind you, if you haven't already, you should subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. That way you always get notifications when we post and you can be even more on top of what is going on. Just wanted to say a quick thanks. We love you guys.
Stuff is happening today. We just got the stove in, which is so sick. This stove actually looks amazing. It's cheaper than the stove we put in our van. Our van was Summit, and we had like the biggest, I don't even think we vlogged it, but it was the biggest nightmare. Sent us a stove that said on their website you could convert it, and it comes with a conversion kit to LP gas, right fittings for Canada or propane place. We need a regulator. No, you get a regulator. Boom, 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 boom. It literally took weeks. It delayed our entire build. So we went with a different company this time. Ramblewood Green. It's on Amazon. We'll link it up. So far, so good. The regulator on this hose. This regulator is going to attach to the stove. Super easy peasy. We just need a propane tank, and Bob's cooking lunch.
Bob, you went from getting dinner for a week to you cooking lunch.
Yeah, well, I was hoping that the stove would be ready for Freestyle Fridays.
Oh!
Featuring new location. And by the way, our homeboy, the one and only E-R-I-K, is hanging out today.
Is it with a K?
Hello. It's actually CK.
Oh, CK.
Yes,
what's up, CK?
We beefed up the double-sided tape.
Yeah.
We stuck it in the channel here, so now it's protected. Should give us a nice glow.
Now, is this kosher? Like, is this? No,
this is just a test.
Yeah.
We want to see if it works before we button it all up, right?
Look at the smile on this guy's face over here.
Right?
Look at that.
Do it. Come on.
Look at that.
Come on. The kid wired it right.
Yeah? You did it, man.
You proud of me?
Very.
Just got to put a little lipstick on those wires, that's all. Right?
Yeah, that's what we're here to do now, right?
I just want to be very clear. You've been seeing us bump the LEDs off of the 18-volt batteries from Milwaukee. And that's okay to do just to test, but we want to be clear that you shouldn't be actually running off of there. These are all 12-volt appliances, so you could burn them out. Tacos?
Tacos, you ready?
Did somebody say taco?
I did.
Jalapeno hummus. Look at this spread my future wife has just whipped up. Oh, you're gonna fit in just fine around here.
Yeah, it's been 6 years, so I think I'm fitting in okay.
Thanks for lunch, baby. It was amazing.
Welcome. This feels like a big moment.
This is a big moment.
Cutting
this is
right
like,
into it?
especially because everything's like set up and hooked up. So if
Yeah.
I screw this up,
Yeah.
it's a big deal.
Yeah. Right.
So we're just gonna start by that. Woo, woo. Mr. Dyson, coming in. We're running low on the juice here.
And there we have it.
Did he do it right? We might need an elbow.
Does it fit, Jimmy?
It fits, but I think we need an elbow for the gas. Anybody want to join me at the depot?
I'm good, thanks.
For my first Home Depot experience.
Whoa!
Barn door and have Rachel see if she can cut it square for me.
I'm sure she'd just be lined up to do that for you, huh?
Just ask George.
Say, your husband told me you would do that for me.
Your new husband.
Yeah, we're gonna go pick out tiles, and I said if we pick them out today, I'm gonna rent a wet blade, and I'm gonna get going.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Best buddy, going to the depot with my best buddy, and that is where we're going. Hey.
Sounds good. The last time I went to the depot with Eamon was a 5-hour mission that ended in me, I'm pretty sure, pretty much crying. I was so upset. He kept saying 10 more minutes and then it would be an hour and I'd say, I'll come back and pick you up.
Of me.
It was so bad. So I've never been back to the depot since then. It was a Saturday. Nobody was helping us.
Yeah.
I love the dust that came of that, so.
Bringing a tea to the depot.
Of course, is that too posh of me?
No. Not sure anyone's ever done that.
Hello.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thanks, Joe.
Thanks.
Where I spend the most time at depot is like these kind of sections because people don't put them back in the right spots. And
Yeah.
It's like,
And there's so many different options,
oh
right?
yeah, and then you got MIP and FIP, which is like 2 different types of fittings. So you could find one that's the right size, 5/8 to 3/4, but then it's MIP. So then you gotta find.
Oh God.
Why don't you head to the towel department? I'll meet you there.
I think we're in the right aisle here. I found something I like. Now let's go see if Eamon likes it too. Potentially we'd want an elbow.
We're elbowing. Now we're getting a nipple in between. This guy likes nipples. You want to come over and help me?
No, I am a builder. I
don't live far.
I just build custom buildings.
You can bring the wine too.
No, if the beer put that.
He told me that the towel machine works better with the wine. No water.
Try, you never know.
ID? You got some gnarly avocado down there.
What? Oh no, I totally
Gnarly.
forgot about that.
Oh man, that is definitely being cleaned up by you.
No.
Let's rock today.
What's that, buddy?
It's Tile Tuesday.
Tile Tuesday. Not sure if we showed you what we went with, but we're trying this tile here. So it comes as a sheet. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And we've rented this for 4 hours. So we have 4 hours to get all of this up there.
It's Julian at GoVan. Can you take it?
Yep. What happened there?
We're not even one cut in. We already got a fatal injury here. I have no idea.
Hey.
Deja vu, huh?
I know, it really does feel like it. I think this is the new admiration station over here, isn't it, Bob?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
So good!
You know what's amazing about tiling?
What?
Favorite part is when you get into it like this, you got a couple offcuts and you just grab one, you're like,
That might work.
that's gonna work. The last dos! Numero dos!
Rodeo Drive, you ready? Wow!
Pretty nice. Home Depot's here to take the salt out.
They are?
Yeah.
Peace out, homies!
You be careful! Any excuse to ride that board.
Manager had a little chat with me about not riding the boost board in Home Depot.
Oh, really?
So
You won't be doing that anymore.
I won't be doing that when he's around anymore.
Is it too dangerous or something?
I think it's just illegal, babe.
Oh.
Hope you guys enjoyed the vidster. Another day, another vlog. Tomorrow's vlog might be a little bit different because we got a little secret project, not so secret project that we are doing with GoVan. So you'll be meeting
next
all
couple of days, actually, I think, right?
Yeah, it's like 2-3 day shoot. So you'll be meeting the GoVan crew. It's gonna be super fun. We're heading north. So stay tuned, stay subscribed. Anything
Make
else
sure
want
you
to
like
say?
this video, guys. Come on.
Come on, look at that face. How come you couldn't hit that like button just for that? Just I know it's just like you're chilling on your mobile device and everything, but just like go to the next screen, hit the like button. It means
What do
a
you
lot.
mean on the next screen? It's the same thing.
No, because if they're on their mobile device, they need to hit back and then go back to the screen if they're ripping it landscape mode, you know?
Oh, well, rip it vertical mode and give me a thumbs up, would you? Anyways, I actually had so much fun today, I just wanted to say. I really like being a part of the project. Okay, bye. I think we tire Bob out a little. He said he was going to clean the van.